What you are witnessing here is not a worldwide power outage, but a world attempt at taking a stand against global warming. Earth Hour was first conducted in Sydney, Australia in 2007. It persuaded 2.2 million businesses and residents to turn off their power for 60 minutes. This event now involves more than 50 million people in over 35 countries around the world. So what have Canadians sacrificed for this cause? A statement made by Hydro Ottawa said that last year Canadians were able to reduce their electrical output by 6% during Earth Hour. That was enough energy to power 58 homes for a month. Canadians were able to accomplish this because of the over 10 million residents in over 300 cities across Canada that participated. But Canadians are willing to do more for the cause, says one local Ontarian.
I don't think an hour in a year is enough. I believe myself I would do it regularly. If I was asked to do it once a month, I would definitely.
Hydro Ottawa is looking to beat that record this year by creating more events to donate to the World Wildlife Fund on top of the website support of Earth Hour.
So join us this Earth Day on Saturday, March 26th at 8:30 p.m. I'm Max Sala, reporting for PFL News, saying, flick off.